So Rich, what were you saying about arrows? You see something there?
Okay, so yeah, so we see the movement of the arrows representing the carbon dioxide going up.
What are the components of the model?
Yeah.
I see.
But that's not necessarily any process, it's just showing that the bubbles
The
are
bubbles
moving.
were rising, yeah.
Right.
So interestingly, I actually sat down with this group for just a moment, and they had those arrows there with no labels on them. And I said, well, what does this arrow represent? And they said, movement. I said, movement of what? And that's when they went, well, carbon dioxide. I said, well, how would I know that? And so then they at least added that label on there. But in terms of understanding, does it show understanding of the process?
Well, you're seeing more bubbles in the dark room, if you notice, in that picture versus the other one.
Okay.
And what did their results say? That there would be more in the dark room?
Right. That's what they hypothesized in their pH levels, although it's only 1/10 of a point.
Yeah.
But you would expect.
Well, so then there's
it
the
to
two
become a little
questions.
bit more.
So was that was added on too, right?
Yeah.
During the revision process, where they say we used a 2 pH meter before and after instead of counting.
Right.
So Rachel, what were you gonna say?
Well, I was
That-
going to say, because we're
we're
looking at two
looking
different
at-
things. One,
that's right.
are they getting modeling? Second, are they showing knowledge of the process?
Right.
So, I mean, in my opinion, they're showing us unseen. They're showing us movement. They've got all the. I think they've got all the components of what we were expecting to see in there. It may not be modeling this process specifically,
Right.
but it does seem to indicate a fairly good attempt at modeling.
They understand how to model.
Right.
They just didn't model the right stuff.
So I would think that personally that would be a got it for modeling. And then the next question comes, do we have enough evidence to see that they understand the process of, in this case, cellular respiration, correct?
This one's
Which one did
Photos-
you pick?
No, it's
Cellular
respiration.
it would be cellular
Right,
respiration.
Yeah.
Which isn't interestingly even labeled anywhere upon the paper, the process necessarily. Other than the fact that there's more carbon dioxide, I'm not confident
I'm not convinced.
that these students fully understand cellular respiration.